Most people think that crypto is complete luck, but it's not. It's a game, and it's a ruthless one where you can lose everything in a single day, but you can also change your entire life from the right trade. And that's not random, because if you don't understand the game, you'll lose forever. But when you've mastered it, your life starts to look like GTA. So in this video, I'm gonna give you the tutorial that nobody gave me when I started out in crypto, the hidden rules, the traps, and the cheat codes that will make you one of the people who win big in crypto. So comment 777 if you're feeling blessed, if you're feeling bullish, and let's run it. All right, bull runners, welcome back to the channel. So I've been playing the crypto game since 2016, and in that time, I've watched players lose everything. Life savings gone in a single trade. And unlike a normal video game, there's no respawning if you fail. That money is just gone, and the market doesn't care. It keeps moving without you. But I've also watched others win so big that they've changed their entire family's lives forever. Not just their own life, their kids' lives, their parents' lives, their whole family tree. And the difference was never intelligence or luck. It was that one group understood the game and the other did not. Because here's the thing about crypto that nobody's gonna tell you, so listen closely. In a video game, before you even press start, you know the rules. You've got a tutorial, a map, a health bar. You know what kills you, but in crypto, you just get thrown in the game with no map and you don't know the rules. And everywhere you look online, there's someone trying to scam you, someone pumping a coin so they can dump it on you, someone who looks like a mentor but is really just using you as exit liquidity. So you spawn into crypto with zero skills, zero knowledge, and a target on your back. But after being in crypto for over 9 years, I've realized the game has rules. They're just hidden from everyday retail investors. And once you see them, everything changes. Because this game is full of traps that will steal your money, I'm gonna get into all of them, but the rules come first because when you understand them, the traps become obvious. Now, the first rule is that crypto does not move randomly. It moves in cycles. Accumulation, markup, distribution, and then the crash in the bear market. And then it repeats back into the crypto bull run. I know this because I lived the hard version of this lesson in 2017 and 2018 when I turned roughly $20,000 into over $150,000 very, very quickly. And I sat there thinking I was untouchable and that I had won the game of crypto. Then 2018 hit and my portfolio got cut in half. Then it got cut in half again, then cut in half again. Every single month for a straight year, it just bled out to virtually nothing. And I sat there with my thumb up my ass telling myself this is just a dip while I watched every single dollar disappear. I didn't sell a single coin, not one, because I didn't understand what cycle I was in. I refused to admit the party was over and the cycle uses the crowd against you, because when everybody is screaming that crypto is going to the moon and you need to buy right now, that is distribution. The smart players are selling into your excitement when everyone is calling crypto dead and swearing, they'll never touch it again. Well, that's accumulation in a bear market. The smart players are loading up while you panic sell the bottom. The herd is always wrong at the extremes because they let their emotions get the best of them. And the experienced crypto players know that, so they use it against you. Now, another hidden rule is that retail doesn't move markets. Institutions, whales, and market makers do. You and me and everyone watching this video are not the ones setting the price. Even if you're a multi-millionaire, you're still a small fry in the grand scale of how much money is out there in the markets. The big players are the ones that move everything, and they have one job: accumulate as many coins as possible at the lowest price before the move happens, which means they need retail to be scared to sell their assets that they buy. They need you selling everything that you have. They need bad news, red candles, and headlines screaming that crypto is dead. And XRP is the perfect example of this. For almost a year in 2024, XRP just sat there doing nothing, bouncing around between 50 cents and 60 cents, and people were bored. They were frustrated. I was making videos every single day about XRP, and most people sold and moved on to whatever was pumping that week, the new flavor of the week, right? But while retail was giving up, whales were quietly loading up the entire time. Then the election happened and XRP went from 50 cents to over $3 in January of 2025, a 580% move. And the people who sold at 50 cents out of boredom missed the entire move, while the people who understood this hidden rule were already in position before anyone else even noticed. So now that you know the hidden rules, let's talk about the traps, because this is where most people lose everything. You see, the crypto game is loaded with a massive amount of traps, and they're not accidental. They are built into the game on purpose to take your money and transfer it to the people who know better. Now, the first trap is FOMO and fear. These are the two programs that always run in your own character, and most people can't control them, which is why they lose thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Fear of missing out is what makes you buy the top. You see a coin up 40% in a day. Your whole timeline is talking about it. Every influencer is saying this is the one that's going to the moon, and something in your brain just snaps and says, if I don't get in right now, I'm going to miss the biggest trade of my life. So you buy the coin right at the top, right before the dump, and then the fear kicks in, the price starts dropping, your portfolio starts bleeding with red candles, and that same voice that says buy now is screaming sell everything before you lose it all. So you sell right at the bottom, right before the recovery, and you just handed your money to the whales and the market makers who were waiting for that exact moment. The fear of missing out is not a special emotion that only a few hold. It's something that everyone has to deal with because it's part of the game. Every single person in crypto feels it, but the winners have built their character to the point where they don't trade on emotion. They developed a strategy. Now, the second trap is following influencers only based on their recommendations. And I'm going to be straight with you here because most people in my position are never going to say this out loud. Most crypto influencers you're watching online are getting paid to talk about projects. And the coins blowing up your timeline with claims about 100x gains were never designed to make you rich. They were designed to create enough buying pressure so the insiders could dump their bags on you because that is your role in their trade. You are their exit liquidity. Every single time you buy a random coin because someone on YouTube or Twitter told you it was going to moon, you're just completing someone else's quest line. You are helping them win while you lose because the real plays are never the ones blowing up on your timeline. By the time everyone is talking about a coin, the people who were going to make real money on it already got in before you. So the second something is all over your feed, especially all over Twitter, you need to ask yourself, who is selling right now and who benefits from this promotion? And if an influencer gets paid to promote a project and they're transparent about it, there's nothing wrong with that. The problem is most retail investors don't understand that the majority of projects are going to sell off hard after they have completed the psychology of a market cycle and everyone is bought in. They go through very steep corrective periods. And if you don't know how to analyze a chart, if you don't know what to look for and you get caught buying the top while everyone else is selling, well, that's like playing a video game without understanding the rulebook. So I'm not here to promote a coin or pump a project to you in this video. I'm here to give you the map. I'm here to give you the rulebook because in my program at Altcoin Pro Accelerator, we work one-on-one with investors who have 50K or more in crypto to secure, grow, and scale their portfolios without losing sleep over scams, hacks, and market volatility. We build you a custom portfolio strategy covering security, passive yield generation, and when to take profit so you can grow your portfolio without all of the guesswork, the stress, or the fear of getting wrecked or dumped on. And if you want to check that out, all you need to do, click the link in the description below to book a strategy call with either myself or an expert on my team. You'll get bi-weekly one-on-one coaching calls with a dedicated crypto strategist, direct access to our research team via private chat for personalized support whenever you need it, and over 5 months of accountability, weekly group coaching, and a research team reviewing projects before you invest to know what to look for and what to watch out for, because there's a lot of red flags, and if you don't understand those red flags, then that's how you get wasted like in GTA, with no respawn because you only have one chance with the capital that you have. So if you're tired of relying on hope and prayers as a strategy and you want a professional to work with you every step of the way, then simply click the first link in the description below and book a call. Now, back to the third trap, which is putting everything into one coin and then just waiting, hoping, and praying that it goes up. Because depending on what time you're watching this video and where you're investing in the market cycle, you might have to wait years for the coin to recover because most players treat crypto like a slot machine. They take everything they have, sometimes money they can't afford to lose, and actually most of the time, they dump it into whatever is pumping that week and they just hope and they hold. But this is not a real strategy. It's just hoping a random lottery ticket will pay off. And when it goes wrong, there is no respawning. That money is just gone and they have nothing left to buy the bottom when the real opportunity comes around. Now, the people I've watched build real wealth in this game across multiple cycles all have the same thing in common. They never risk money they cannot afford to lose. They have a system with clear rules and zero emotion, and that system is what keeps them in the game when everyone else blows up their account and then disappears shortly after they lose everything. Now, the last trap is an evil one that takes crypto players out when they start to win. It's the lifestyle trap, because I've watched guys make 7 figures in a single bull run, let alone even in a single day, and blow every single dollar within 18 months. We're talking about Lambos, private jets, bottle service, penthouse parties. They thought the bull market lifestyle was going to last forever, but it didn't, because they stopped doing what made them a winner to begin with. They stopped looking for the right trades. They stopped spending money on good crypto opportunities, and they stopped investing in their education. And instead, they took that money, they spent it on cars, watches, and bottle service instead. But the guys who actually stay rich and get the dream lifestyle do the exact opposite. They have a way to consistently make income from their investments even when the market goes down. And then they use that passive income for the big plays, the asymmetric opportunities, the 5x, the 10x, and yes, even the 100x altcoins. But they never risk their whole portfolio trying to hit those riskier plays, swinging for the fences only to strike out. So when the bear market hits, they're still making passive income, their core portfolio is still safe, and all the guys who are flexing Lambos and bottle service trying to look successful are going broke again because they spent their winnings instead of putting their winnings to work for them. So now that you know how the game really works, you know the hidden rules, you know the traps, and if you've been making the mistakes I just walked you through, I want you to know something. So did I. And after 9 years of getting wrecked, rebuilding, winning, losing again, and finally figuring out what works, I built a complete roadmap that tells you exactly how to avoid all the big traps and actually win the crypto game. It's called the SGS system. It's 3 steps, 3 rules, and if you miss one, you're completely cooked. The S stands for secure. This is your ground zero. If your coins can get hacked, rugged, frozen on centralized exchanges, or wiped out because you fat fingered a seed phrase, nothing else matters. You need bulletproof wallets, real diversification, 0 single points of failure. This is a vault that protects you from scams, hacks, and losing everything to just one simple mistake. And if you miss this one thing, it's like playing Russian roulette with 5 bullets in the chamber. You're bound to lose. The G stands for grow. This is where 99% of people leave money on the table. Because your crypto is probably just sitting in a wallet doing nothing, all of that money could be making you passive income while you sleep through liquidity pools, staking, stablecoin plays, delta neutral setups, and yield farming where you still own 100% of your coins, but they're working for you. This bucket pays the bills, it funds the vacations, and it also prints the house money that feeds the next step, which is S, and that stands for scale. Because once you have a bucket of income that grows and starts generating passive income, those profits are what you use to then chase the 10x or the 100x plays, the moonshots. And if they go to the moon, well, you make life-changing money. Now, if they go to 0, well, your rent check still hits, your core wealth never felt a thing, and you get to swing for the fences with virtually 0 downside because it's house money. Now, most people gamble with money that they can't afford to lose, and that's why they blow up every single cycle. Because when you only bet with money that the market has already paid you, that's how you minimize your risk in crypto while maximizing your upside. Now, here's the thing. I just gave you the map, the rules, the traps, the cheat codes, 9 years and millions of dollars of hard lessons in one simple video. But knowing this and actually building it into a system that runs without emotion, without second guessing every move, those are 2 completely different things. And that gap is exactly where most people lose. That is what my team and I help people with inside of our Altcoin Pro Accelerator program. We help you build your entire SGS system with you one-on-one over 5 months. We show you how to secure your stack from scams and hacks. We turn your dead capital into passive income, and we show you exactly our take on when we believe the market is overbought, oversold, and when it's the right time to strike. That way you can stop guessing and start executing with a real plan, with 0 motion, 0 panic selling, 0 FOMO buying, and a system that works whether the market is pumping, dumping, or trending sideways. And right now we have a handful of spots open, and they will probably go fast by the time I publish this video because we have a limited amount of availability for calls that we can take, and they usually book up every single 24 hours. So if you click the link in the description below and there's no calls on the calendar, well, then you can check back in 24 to 48 hours. Because if you have over 50K or more in crypto and you are serious about finally building this the right way, then click the link in the description below and book a call with me or one of my senior coaches, and we'll see if you're a fit for our program. And if you haven't done that yet already, I want to leave you with one last thing, because just like a video game, the best strategy won't work for you if your character is broken. The player with an ego that walks walks into crypto thinking that they already know everything is the easiest one to beat, because the second you stop learning is the second that you start bleeding. And most people let the fear of missing out make them buy the top. The fear of losing makes them sell the bottom, and the fear of being wrong keeps them frozen on the sidelines while opportunity after opportunity passes them by. But the people who win big are not the ones who knew the most. They're the ones who kept leveling up their character. They kept learning, they kept adapting, and they never let ego or fear run their portfolio. So this is how you win the game of crypto. Now, if you have over 50K in crypto, we love to work with you one-on-one and help you scale that even further. If you have less than 50K, well, that's fine. We work with people of all different portfolio sizes. You can check out altcoinpro.com and check out our entire university. We have over 100 expert curated classes walking you through everything imaginable to take you from level 1 to level 100. And as always, you know what to do. Stay bullish.